And hello again, Greg Barrett with you once again, home of our magic programs and Communico magic, standing for make a great impression on the customer. And another component within our magic programs is something called a Catchpoint. Now, you may not have heard of that, but there are two components to every single interaction that you have. What the person is upset or happy about, and why are they upset? The what and the why. Most people get the what because they'll tell them, my car doesn't work. I brought it in. It's not being fixed. But they don't acknowledge the why when the customer said, I couldn't go to work today. I couldn't take little Johnny or Susie. Getting both sides of that is the catch point and super important. One without the other will not create a great impression. Let me give you an example. I'm going to use one in my personal life. My significant other lets me, I like that word, lets me, do the grocery shopping. And I don't know what kind of grocery shopping you do. You might be a person that makes a list and crosses them off, really structured. I'm a big picture kind of guy. So my wife says, we need mayonnaise, we need pickles, whatever it may be. I go to the store, and then what happens to us big picture people? We say, ooh, shiny, shiny. And we get everything except the pickles. So I come home, I don't get the pickles. My wife says, hey, where are the pickles? I said, I don't know. She said, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a list for you because I know that you are challenged grocery shopping. There's a point here. Stay with me, okay? So she gives me the list, and it's on pickles. Now, what do you think I do when I go to the grocery store with the list? Absolutely, you got that right. I look at it. Don't need a list, do I? Follow me. I get all the items except, again, the pickles. Get stuff I don't even need. I come home. My wife is very upset. And I said, why are you upset about the pickles? It's no big deal. That's the what. The what is I didn't get the pickles. And I try to solve that by saying, I'll just go get it. Don't get upset. It's just pickles. And she said, you don't understand. Y'all ever heard this? Absolutely. The catch point, the what is the pickles, but folks, why is she upset? You're right, because she took time to make a list and I didn't even acknowledge that. So when you don't get the what and the why and just try to solve the what and not acknowledge it, that customer, as in my wife, was upset. So what could I have done differently? I could have got the what, the pickles, and here's the why with the empathy. Hun, I know you made the list. I should have looked at it. I did. I thought I had it. I didn't mean to be rude. You took the time to do it. I'll use it next time. All right? So we've all probably had something like that in our personal lives. But getting the catch point, the what, and verbalizing the why is super important to creating that great impression on the customer, or in my case, happy wife, happy life. So go out there, make sure you're getting the what and the why, and you'll create a great impression on the customer. Have a great day.